So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic concept of living. So this video will be about growth. So guys, in short to say, at the end of this video, as you just have just this one question to answer here. So the question here says, which of the following is described as an increase in dry weight? We have A, absorption, B, growth, C, reproduction, D, ingestion. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's growth. So growth is usually described as an increase in dry weight, and that's the correct answer to this question, option B here. So guys, this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.